Hello, good afternoon.
Hello.
Hello.
This week it's actually afternoon. It is 1:15.
I'm hungry.
Yeah, we're not doing a whole lot today. We're going to get maintenance done on our car, and we're just going to find some things to do. And I'm happy to say that Paula is with us today.
Hi.
We got some fun stuff coming up, though, so stay tuned.
Paula's car's broke.
No, Paula broke down yesterday. I think she needs a new battery, so
We'll do that tomorrow.
Yeah, we'll take care of that tomorrow. We may actually video that. That might be fun to watch.
Yay.
What do you think?
Yay.
All right, well, we'll take you along wherever we're going. Well, we're done having the car serviced, and the air conditioner is probably blowing all, and we can't hear anything, I'm sure. Got a new tripod.
And we gotta go get some spam for the next week or two.
Spam?
Yeah. What's
Okay.
that? What's that? Ramen? Gotta eat
Oh.
ramen for the next 2 or 3 months.
Oh, yeah. Had the
But
car
We just
serviced.
passed 100,000 miles on this convenience that we call a car.
Yeah.
The problem with this car is it gets 50 miles to the gallon.
Yes, and
So we like this
we
car.
want to hold on to it as long as possible.
We're gonna take care of this car.
But,
If not, put Paula driving.
but we haven't, other than that, we haven't done anything today. So,
Well, that's not true. We
Well,
went
Ulta,
to Five Below and got a new tripod.
yeah, we got a new tripod at Five Below. It's really
Yeah.
interesting, yeah. So,
And it was 5 or below.
the thing is, we had another one. The dog chewed it up.
We don't need to talk about
Yes,
what
we
happened
do.
to it. I mean,
We had a nice
it's
one.
an innocent situation.
Actually, we had two nice ones. The dog chewed
It's
them up.
innocent situation.
So
It
we
could
got a
happen to
five.
anybody.
So we got a $5 tripod.
We don't even know whose dog did it.
That would be your dog.
Okay?
But anyway,
we don't know that
we
for
don't-
sure.
we don't-
We didn't see him do it. My
We'll
dog
s-
wouldn't do stuff like that.
Yes, he would.
It's
Anyway,
innocent.
we're going to eat now. So
At Chuy's.
yeah, we're going to Chuy's in Greenville.
Tex-Mex.
It's only 14 miles, so we're going to head there.
How was it 25 minutes?
Paula Ann.
Hi.
It is such a nice day. The Chipper and I are sitting outside catching some rays. We've had a problem with Paula's car, so she's getting a new battery, and I'm asking her to help me do it so she can learn a few things about cars. So she went in with me to Mr. O'Reilly, and she told them what the problem was. They checked everything, and the battery is not dead, but it's within 3 months of going dead from their checker. The car's a 2020 and it's 2023, so that sounds about right. 3 years old. So we're gonna get her a new battery. She's gonna help me install it, and good education, you know, for the child, the daughter or son, whichever you want to call it. So, but today's a beautiful day. It is March 5th. And I mean, it is just glorious outside. It's probably like 65, 70 degrees. So I think we're going to spend a little time outside. Maybe wash the cars up. We had our service yesterday. Chip is supervising. He's making sure that everybody holds up to standards. And nobody's walking by without letting him know that this is his yard. They better stay out. So, isn't he a cute dog? Chipper. I just took a picture.